Anello with 31 triple Doppler.
There's no question Wave 31 will be covering this storm tomorrow from all angles on our 31 alert day.
Yeah.
But today is the day to get ready for this storm.
Yeah, it really is. Today's weather is calm. It's overcast now, pockets of sun later. We're going to be very breezy later, about 30-mile-an-hour winds, but it is calm. Tomorrow's severe weather threat starts right around sunrise. So you really do want to use today to go ahead and prep
Absolutely.
and plan ahead for it. Take a look. We are calm today. We're sitting in the green, and that's why it's so important to use today. Ask yourself, is your house safe to stay in if tornado warnings are issued near you? If it's not, today's the day you need to call a friend or family member and go to someone's house that might be safer for tomorrow. Do you have multiple ways of getting warnings to your phone, through a weather radio, on TV, whatever that might be, should a warning be issued? When you have to head to your safe space, plan on spending a whole lot of time there. Do you have snacks? Do you have water? Do you have a book or games or something to keep you entertained for a while? These are all things you can do today and questions you can answer for yourself that will help ease your mind about tomorrow. Tomorrow, of course, is that 31 alert day all day long. By the time we get to Sunday, though, the good news that I'm always going to find for you, things are calm. Temperatures will be in the mid-60s, but we will be sunny. All right, to that 31 alert day, all modes of severe weather are possible, including 70+ mile-an-hour winds. We could see hail, tornadoes, and even some localized flooding on the road because of the amount of rain we're seeing. And again, it's starting just before the sun rises. We do welcome in some severe weather threats in the wee hours of the morning on Saturday. However, it's particularly into the late afternoon and evening that we will see the strongest of that severe weather. New this morning, as of about 4 a.m., we were upgraded to a level 4 out of 5 risk for strong and severe storms along and southwest of the Tennessee River, as well as sitting north of it, we're in a level 3 out of 5 risk for strong and severe storms. Take a look at where we sit on future radar. Fast forward, this is tonight at 11 p.m. Things are really quite calm. We start to see some isolated rain, not severe, develop around 2 o'clock in the morning. From there, it sticks with us just that way, even through about 4:30 in the morning. That's new as of this afternoon. Several hours ago, it looked like we were going to start to see some stormy activity at that point. Now it does seem calmer. It looks like we will see our first chance for strong and severe storms to develop around 6:30 and 7 a.m., right when that sun is getting ready to rise. From there, we will keep scattered storms with us, capable of all of the aforementioned severe elements throughout the morning breakfast time hours, the heaviest of which remaining to our north and west. The good news here is we get a little bit of a lull in the late afternoon. Between about 11:15 and 12:30, there seems to be a break in the weather before our second round, the strongest of the two, enters into the shoals around 12:30 to 1 o'clock. From there, it's dominating west of the corridor by 4:30, again bringing that threat for severe weather, covering the Tennessee Valley through dinner time and continuing to track east. Many of us are in the clear by bedtime, but there is still one line of storms left that we will continue to track for severe weather. That sticks with us through about midnight, and then it gets out of the way. Our greatest of the threats is that damaging straight line wind. However, the hail and tornado threats, those are ones I definitely still have my eyes on. As far as rainfall amounts, 1 to 3 inches for most of us east. Sitting in southern Tennessee in the shoals, you could see up to 5 inches. I saw some reports that said even up to 6.5. We're looking pretty good on 31 triple Doppler right now, 11:21 on your Friday. Not quite as dense cloud cover. We're going to keep clouds throughout the day. You might see some pockets of sun a little bit later on. Conditions are looking pretty good, 67, 68 as you're heading out the door to lunch right now. They are warm, they are mild, they're a little on the muggy side, they're definitely on the breezy side, but I would just encourage you to really make sure you're using today to take care of yourself and stay safe tomorrow. Our team will be here. We will be staffed for almost 24 hours straight, making sure that you can get through this system. So make sure you tune in with us, check back with us tonight, check back with me first thing tomorrow morning. I'll be here as it's entering into the region, and our team will still be here as it's exiting the region. So we're going to give you what you need to stay informed and stay safe with your family. As we head towards the end of the weekend and into next work week, conditions are a hair cooler, but they are so much sunnier and so much calmer.
And it's a beautiful, beautiful 10 day after that.
Yes.
Indeed. Thank you so much.